What if classrooms could predict the future? What if artificial intelligence could enhance learning? Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But the future might be closer than you think. Welcome to a discussion where the impossible becomes possible, where we delve into the exciting yet complex world of AI in teaching. Imagine, if you will, a world where AI assists in language learning, making it easier to grasp new languages. Or consider a maths class where AI helps solve complex problems, turning what was once a dreaded subject into a delightful one. Picture AI in science, enabling students to conduct virtual experiments. Visualize art classes where AI aids in creating masterpieces. Physical education where AI aids in tracking progress. And history lessons where AI brings the past to life. The possibilities are endless and the potential enormous. So hold on to your seats as we dive into the world of AI in teaching and explore its pros and cons in various subjects. Imagine a language learning app that tailors itself to your learning style, or a maths program that adapts to your skill level. Welcome to the world of AI in language learning and maths. AI can create a personalized learning journey adapting to your pace and style. It's like having a tutor who modifies their teaching method just for you. In language learning, AI can offer instant translations and pronunciation corrections. In maths, it can identify areas where you're struggling and provide targeted practice problems. However, AI isn't without its own limitations. In language learning, it may lack the nuances of human interaction. Slang, idioms, cultural contexts, these are areas where AI might fall short. Similarly, in maths, AI might not be able to guide learners through complex concepts as effectively as a human teacher could. AI can indeed offer a unique, personalized learning experience, but it's not a complete substitute for human teachers. From virtual lab experiments to fitness trackers, AI is making its mark in science, art, physical education, and history. In science classrooms, AI is transforming the way students learn. Virtual experiments bring the lab right into the classroom, making science more accessible to all. In art, AI tools can analyze patterns, styles, and techniques, serving as a creative springboard for budding artists. Physical education isn't left out. AI-powered fitness trackers provide personalized programs, encouraging students to stay active and healthy. In history, AI can create interactive lessons, turning dates and events into engaging stories. However, there are challenges. Virtual science experiments may lack the hands-on experience that nurtures curiosity and discovery. In physical education, AI cannot replace the motivation a coach brings, and in history, AI might inadvertently introduce bias into lessons, missing the nuanced perspectives a human teacher provides. While AI can provide interactive and immersive learning experiences, it can't replace the human touch in these subjects. In a world of AI and algorithms, where do our educators fit in, you might ask? Well, let's delve into that. Teachers are not just mere spectators in the grand spectacle of AI-driven education. Rather, they are the maestros, orchestrating the symphony of learning. Their crucial role lies in integrating AI into teaching in a way that complements their traditional teaching methods. They are the curators of AI-based content, selecting and customizing it to suit the individual needs of their students. Moreover, teachers are also the mediators, facilitating a balanced learning experience. While AI can provide personalized learning paths, it's the teachers who ensure that this does not lead to an over-reliance on technology. They instill in students the essential skills of critical thinking and problem-solving, skills that no AI can teach. So while we navigate this brave new world of AI in education, let's remember, even in the age of AI, the role of a teacher is irreplaceable. So is AI the future of teaching? Yes and no. We've journeyed through the captivating world of artificial intelligence in education, discovering its many faces across different subjects. In language learning and maths, AI's precision and adaptability provide personalized learning experiences. In science, art, physical education, and history, it broadens perspectives, fostering creativity and critical thinking, yet it's not all roses. Despite AI's impressive capabilities, it's not without its drawbacks. It can't replace the human connection, the spark of inspiration that a dedicated teacher can ignite in a student. Teachers play a pivotal role in this digital revolution, bridging the gap between technology and learners. They guide, mentor, and inspire, leveraging AI's strengths while compensating for its limitations. While AI can enhance learning, it's no magic wand. The future of teaching lies in the perfect blend of technology and human touch. After all, teaching is not just about imparting knowledge, it's about inspiring minds.